workshop tonight is titled Standing on the Ground with Your Body in the Sky.
So grateful to be here. I want to just share that we're going to be starting off doing a little bit of mindfulness just to kind of get grounded. In front of, because we're wanting to create a connection with these paintings that are in this space. And so I'm excited to lead you all through a guided experience of connecting with these paintings. Tune into their emotions. Do they have any wishes for us here? All right, so feel free to chant or make movements, slowly making our way out. Woo! Can I hear a I am art today? Yes. Please feel free to, if you have something you want the group to say, feel free to shout it out. We are luminous.